Herzlich willkommen bei TWIN BUSCH.
Welcome to TWIN BUSCH.
Tips and tricks.
Turning direction of a tire changer. When you step on the pedal, the machine should turn clockwise. In this case, the machine turns counterclockwise. If you push up the pedal, the machine should turn counterclockwise, but it turns clockwise. We will change this now. That has something to do with the phase position and the supply. The error can be caused by a wrongly connected extension cable, or a poorly connected outlet, or quite banal, some phase is twisted in our connector. I'll show you how to solve this problem.
Stecker raus.
Plug out. Unscrew the strain relief. It's like this with our plug. If you have a different plug, it's similar. Then push out the inner part. The green-yellow earthing connection stays in place. Blue is not a neutral wire in this case but also a phase. Brown is a phase, black is a phase. In this case, only two phases will be switched with each other, thus changing the turning direction of the motor. So we'll try this by taking out the brown and black. They're exchanged with each other. When inserting the contact set into the housing, make sure that this part here is aligned with the thick pin. Otherwise, it won't fit in the outlet later. This is the protective earth contact. Then it can be screwed back together. Screw the strain relief again. Now the machine should turn clockwise when I step on the pedal. When I push up the pedal, it turns counterclockwise. We can work now.